こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Miso Veg Mince Udon. Thick and springy chilled Japanese udon noodles topped with savoury and slightly sweet miso-flavoured veggie mince, with shiitake mushrooms adding extra umami and depth. Served with chopped coriander for a fresh aroma and a hint of chilli flakes for a subtle kick. This quick and easy vegan udon noodle dish is totally satisfying. Okay, let's get started. First, prepare the udon noodles. Udon noodles are sold as fresh, dried, or frozen. For this recipe, Sheena uses frozen pre-cooked udon noodles because they are convenient and have a good texture and taste. Add the udon noodles straight from the freezer to a pot of boiling water. Bring it back to a boil and simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Drain with a colander. Rinse them under running cold water and place them into a bowl of ice water to chill. Set aside until the miso veg mince is ready. Now, let's make the miso veg mince. In a bowl, place 1 tablespoon of red miso paste, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 100 milliliters of water. Mix until the miso paste is completely dissolved. Finely dice 2 shiitake mushrooms. Mince 1 spring onion. And mince 1 little piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Heat half a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the minced ginger, spring onion, 80 grams of veggie mince, and the shiitake mushrooms, and stir fry until cooked through. Add the miso sauce and bring to a boil. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to low and simmer for about 1 minute. In a small bowl, dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornflour or potato starch with 2 teaspoons of water. Pour the cornflour mixture into the frying pan and cook for a bit until thickened. Add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle with 2 pinches of black pepper. Mix and remove from the heat. Drain and arrange the udon noodles on a serving plate. Top with the miso veg mince. Garnish with chopped coriander and sprinkle with a pinch of chili flakes if you want. De kita! Mix it all up and enjoy. Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. The saucy, rich and bold miso veg mince and the thick udon noodles go so well together. It's easy to prepare and delightful to taste. This springy noodle dish makes her feel springy. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね。